How to make money from blogging, a step-by-step guide to profitable blogging. Choose a niche, opt for a specific topic or field that genuinely interests you and in which you possess knowledge. It's essential to narrow your focus to something with a dedicated audience and avoid being too broad. This will help you attract a loyal readership. Establish your blog. Register a domain name, select a reliable hosting service, and create your blog using a platform like WordPress. Ensure that your blog is user-friendly, visually appealing, and responsive on various devices. Produce exceptional content. Consistently generate informative, engaging, and pertinent content that resonates with your target audience. High-quality content forms the cornerstone of a successful blog. Cultivate an audience, promote your blog through social media, email marketing, and SEO to engage and retain readers. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and fostering a sense of community. Monetize your blog. There are multiple methods to generate income from your blog, including A. Display ads. Enroll in advertising networks such as Google AdSense or join ad management platforms to showcase ads on your blog, earning money based on clicks or impressions. B. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services relevant to your niche and earn commissions for each sale through your affiliate links. C. Sponsored posts. Collaborate with brands or companies to create sponsored content related to your niche, with payment for promoting their products or services. Selling products or services. Develop and sell your digital or physical products like ebooks, courses, merchandise, or consulting services. E. Membership sites. Offer premium, members-only content and charge a subscription fee for access. Donations and crowdfunding. Encourage your audience to support your blog through platforms like Patreon, Ko-fi, or direct donations. G. Freelance writing or speaking engagements. Leverage your blog as a portfolio to secure freelance writing opportunities or speaking engagements within your niche. SEO and keywords. Optimize your blog content for search engines, aka by using relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and quality backlinks to increase organic traffic. Email marketing. Build an email list of subscribers interested in your content. Employ email marketing to engage with your audience and promote products or services. Analytics and data. Monitor your blog's performance using analytical tools. Track which content performs well and adjust your strategy accordingly. Community and collaboration. Connect with other bloggers and influencers in your niche. Collaborations can help you reach new audiences and gain credibility. Be patient and persistent. Earning money from blogging takes time. It may take months or even years before your blog generates a significant income. Stay dedicated and continue enhancing your content and marketing effort. Remember, success in blogging hinges on the quality of your content, your ability to engage with your audience, and your marketing strategies. Building a profitable blog is a long-term commitment, but it can be a fulfilling and lucrative venture if you're committed and passionate about your chosen niche.